Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Why, hello, and welcome to Lesson 4, Excel School Supplies. Now, just like we previously mentioned, each one of these is going to add on a little bit more that you must learn about. You'll notice that on this sheet, over here to the right, we have what the output should look like. And we will step you through each one of the sequences with the video. And the bottom part here, we're going to adjust the numbers, and we're also going to adjust the text box. Those will be the new concepts that we are going to learn how to do. Okay, well, with no further ado, let's go ahead and look at the spreadsheet and see how we can do this. After carefully reviewing your handout, which tells you step by step, the first thing we're going to do is housekeeping. We will always do this for all spreadsheets. I'm going to click on Layout. Upon doing so, I click on Header and Footer, Custom Header. On the left side, you're going to type in your name and what grade level. Then on the right side, you want to click on today's date by placing the mouse over it, insert date, hit your space bar 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and click on insert time. Then click on OK. You'll notice that again we have page, margins, header and footer. On this tab, click on Sheet. When you click on Sheet, I've already taken the liberty of placing grid lines and rows and columns. Simply click on OK. Now, you'll notice that we don't have any dollar signs here, but we'll show you how to do that in a little bit. Underneath blue, you'll notice that we're missing a couple of items. Please take the time to type those in. Please do that now. Okay, once you have all these things typed in plus total expenses, click on this cell. This is cell B13. Go up to Home tab and click on your payout and make it yellow. Now the next thing we want to do is add all these up. To do it very simply, you can click on the Auto Sum or click on Formulas in Auto Sum. I'm going to click on this one to make it quick and easy. You'll notice that it says equal sign sum B3 to B12. What it's going to do is always add up the numbers that are consistent and just simply hit your return key. And you should have $70.34. Now, as I mentioned before, do not put the dollar sign because we're going to do it ourselves. Place your cursor in cell B3, hold down your left button all the way down, and then hit your Control and right click. And we'll click on Format Cells. When you click on Format Cells, we're going to click on Accounting this time, and we want 2 decimal points and a dollar sign. Simply click on OK. And now you have your dollar signs. Hopefully that made sense. Now the next step is pretty fun and it's easy to do. We're going to create our chart. Place your mouse in cell A3, hold down your left button and make sure you highlight the numbers accordingly. Go all the way down to cell B12. Do not do total expenses because that will mess up your chart. At the top here you want to click on Charts, click on Column, and you want to click on 3D Cluster. Okay, grab the handle up, grab the line up here at the top and slide it over to the left. Then click off of it to embed the chart into the spreadsheet. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to click over here with the numbers. Click one time, hold on your Control key, and right click and click on Format Axis. When you do that, it's going to, let's click on Scale at the very top. And you notice it says major unit is 5. Well, 5 is too big. We want to change our major unit, get rid of the 5, and hit the Enter 3. And when you do that, you'll notice that they've changed by increments of 3. Simply click on OK. Now the next thing we want to learn how to do is you'll notice that these are all at an angle. Click on them and hold down your Control key and right click and hit Format Axis. When we click on Format Axis, we want to click on Text Box. And when you do that, look carefully. It says Custom Angle. Click inside, and we can change, oh, that's negative. We want to change it to a positive 46. So scroll up to 46, and click on OK. So we've learned several new things here today. And remember, we're saying that we want you to learn a few new things every time you do a spreadsheet. Now, remember this. I'm going to click on Layout, and then I'm going to click on Preview. And when you click on Preview, you will see your sheet and make sure it is correct. When you're done, you can save this or you can print it out, your option. Well, hopefully all of this made sense. And thank you for watching on our lesson on 4.